This is about install Stripe API library on production. The first thing I need to do is to do a git commit on my Macintosh for the things that I have already changed. Remember, I did run Composer on my project, so there have been a lot of changes. It's just I'm hoping that the only changes that show up are the ones which I want to be a part of the repository. Okay, because not everything that Composer put in there needs to be part of the repository, because the rest of the stuff that Composer put in there, I'm just going to run Composer on the production and it's going to put it there anyways, okay? All right, so proj, that'll take me to my directory. Okay, so now let me do git status, and I have an alias for that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. All right, changes not staged for commit. All of these are valid and should be staged for commit. The charge credit card and index, those were changes that I had made, fixing some rough spots there. And I did that before I even started working with Stripe, but I had never gotten around to committing it. Initialize.php, that's the one that we changed to include Stripe. Okay, so those three can be safely added. So I'll do git add, and I'll just do them one after another, paste them in there. And this one. All right, hit enter. Do git status again. Okay, so we are left with these two over here. Okay, composer.json. That needs to be part of the repository. So let me do git add composer.json. Okay. All right, so that one, that's a new file there. Now, composer.lock. That one needs to be ignored, so it needs to go in my git ignore. All right, let me do a copy here. I need to go to the git ignore for this repository. So let me see here. I'm in the project directory. So vim.gitignore. I'm going to do a capital O. Okay, and then do a paste. So composer lock. I'm surprised I didn't have that in there already. Okay, so I don't have a composer lock in there. All right. Exit insert mode and do ZZ. All right, so I changed that. Let me clear the screen. Let's just do a git status for good measure. Okay. All right, so now my .gitignore has changed and I need to commit that, but composer lock is not there. Git add .gitignore. All right, so everything's ready for the commit. So git commit the message made accommodations for Stripe install. All right, hit enter. Now do a git push. Let me SSH into production. Go to my project. Then do git pull. Okay. Let's just do a git log. Made accommodations for Stripe Composer install. Now you see composer.json is on the production server. See, I'm at root, on root at SAM, which is the production server. I'm in the project, and now we have a composer.json up there. Also, the changes to initialize are there too. Take my word for it. All right, so let's look at Composer. Okay, so right now we have everything we need. So now I just do Composer install and watch the magic happen. Your requirements could not be resolved to an installable set of packages. All right, somebody on Stack Overflow said do apt-get install PHP 5 curl. So that's what I did, and let's see if that solves the problem. As a matter of fact, it seems like it enabled the module for both the CLI and Apache 2 SAPI. All right, so let me clear this screen and do Composer install again, and keep my fingers crossed. Okay, it looks like it worked. All right, cd vendor. Let's see, the autoload is there. cd stripe. cd stripe PHP, and everything is there. So I believe this stage of the operation has been completed successfully.